Hey out there, this is KZ Coogan, and welcome to my channel. Now on this channel, we gonna be talking about all kinds of shit. And I mean all kinds of crazy shit. And I mean all kinds of shit. Today's little old shit we talking about is a motherfucker by the name of Will Smith. Now, I know y'all know who Will Smith is, the actor. Well, this motherfucker's trying to tell me that Will Smith is filing for fucking bankruptcy. Yeah, I said bankruptcy. I just looked at that motherfucker and told him, now, Will Smith is not filing for any kind of goddamn bankruptcy. You hear me? Bad boys, all this fucking shit. Now, how in the hell is he filing for bankruptcy? Now, I had heard back early in his career he had some kind of little IRS problems or something, but goddamn, this guy made some serious goddamn paper since then, you know what I'm saying? And, if he's filing for bankruptcy, I mean, what the hell are you doing with it? Wiping your ass with it? You know what I'm saying? So, I think he's full of shit, but, y'all hit me up on the comments below and let me know if y'all heard any bullshit like that. But I think it's a bunch of shit myself. But let me know what your favorite Will Smith film is. You know, I think mine is probably be those damn little Bad Boy films. I think they were kind of off the hook. You know what I'm saying? But let me know what y'all think, and let me know if you've heard anything about Will Smith filing for bankruptcy. And holla.